friends, welcome to Mama's Kitchen, and today I have a delicious Indian snack for you, and that's crispy cones stuffed with tuna and potato topping. So let's get started quickly. So for this recipe I'm using this tuna that's wild caught. So I've used 2 tins, and here I've rinsed all the water. Now it's nice and dry. I will add 1 small onion will go in the tuna. I have 1 teaspoon green chili chopped, and vinegar just for taste. It gives a unique taste. That's all. And I will add little salt if needed. Mix all the ingredients well, and after mixing well I will pour in the mayo. So mayonnaise goes here. Now give this a good mix. I will add some salt for taste and then mix well. I have the mashed potato. This is for the topping, so I'll keep the mashed potato aside. And I have these cones here. So these are the cones that I will fill and show you. I will stuff the tuna fish and just push it in as it has to reach the corner right down there, and then do the same. So as it is full now, I will add the mashed potato. Take a scoop, cover the topping with the mashed potato, and that's it. Tuna fish cone is ready. I will keep it on the other side, and same goes here. Take little potato, cover the top. Ready. So stuffing the cone is very easy. So it does not take much time. It's a very delicious snack, and children love this snack. It's a healthy snack as well. So here we go. Now here our stuffed tuna cones ready for the evening snack. I will tell you one thing. I've prepared some for myself, and the remaining I can always keep refrigerated and use when needed. So here's the leftover potato and the tuna filling. That's it. Now let's enjoy. Finally, our Indian snack recipe is now ready to relish. Done with the crispy cones. And you guys, please go ahead and please try this recipe. Crispy cones stuffed with tuna and topped with mashed potato. So it's really lovely, really healthy as well. So now if you have liked this video, please go ahead and hit the red button below, and please do like and share. Thanks for watching.